All right, sorry, the device was full, so that's why the video got cut. Anyway, I was about to show you that angle D2 here and angle B2 here, that they are equal. However, due to the way the diagram, the way I drew it, it's not very clear. That's what I want to show you. So here I will draw a separate diagram. So observe here that EF is a what? Is a chord, right? There is a chord here. It is the one that subtended this angle D2. So what am I going to do? I'm now going to show you that we've got EF. But EF did not subtend angle D2 only. It also check, if we follow this line, it goes to point B, and if we follow point F, it goes to point B2. So then it's like this, thereby creating angle B2 here. And now if it's like this, and here we've got our chord EF. Now here, if this is the chord, guess what happens? What is the location of angle D and angle B? Angle D here, D2, is on the circumference. Angle B2 is also on the circumference. So then angle D2 is equal to angle B2. And we say, the reason why we're saying that, it would be what? Angles in the same segment. So let me update here rather. Remember, we had spoken about the first two reasons. So here we're saying angle B2 is equal to angle D2, and it's angles in the same segment. All right. So what does that mean? Remember, we are on Theorem 9, where we're talking about the fact that angle B1 plus angle B2 is equal to this entire angle D here, as was originally given. We have proven that angle D1, which is equals to 90 degrees, is equal to angle B1. Angle D1 here, part of that angle D, and angle B1 here, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. And now we've proven that this angle B2 is equal to angle D2. Meaning to say that the entire angle here and the entire angle there, they are what? Equal. So therefore, we can conclude that this angle B is equal to angle D, and we call that the tan chord theorem. So that's where the tan chord theorem stems from, right? We are able to prove that the combination of these angles and the combination of those angles, they are equal. All right. Thank you very much. So on the next lesson, what I'm now going to do, I'm going to have a summary that I've been promising you throughout this series. Summary where we subdivide the 9 theorems, right? And in the summary, I'll tell you the most theorems that get questioned. Guaranteed, those theorems, they will be available on your paper, whether it's a June paper or it's a November paper, whether you're doing grade 11 or it's metric. Those theorems, they are highly likely to appear. Then number 2, past exam papers, where the tips I give you in the summary, you must see how do I apply them in a past exam paper. Now, as I always say, join me on the next lesson as I help you to unlock mathematical tricks. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much.